And again, you're heating this for to get the shim out, right?
Yep. Heating up to get the O-ring and shim to
Pop out.
pop out a bit.
Fair enough.
John on. Alright, switch. Beat on it. Oh shit, almost. Fuck it. Feel that, that's hot now. He's getting there, yeah, keep going, keep going. Yeah.
So how hot do you need to get it?
Almost where you're gonna, you could set a cigarette and it should start to smolder.
So in other words, don't put your hand on it, you'll get burned right now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like if I were to put water on that, it would start smoking. No thanks.
Alright, this is a Jewel. Okay.
I'm filming the boat stuff, dude. I'm mainly filming this because this is the first time I've ever seen this done, and it's probably the first time anyone who watched this has seen it done too, you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And I want you to know neither you or him are in the camera view. Save for earlier when you were having to look down to see if it was coming out, but...
So shims are a way to avoid rebuilding one,
Now this right here is a study of patience, more or less, because there's no telling how long it would take for the metal inside to, you know. Here, sorry, man.
Switch to the other side.
Is it moving?
And then together with this thing here, this thing will take one inch to this.
Yeah, it's starting to heat up. We're breaking the bellow adhesive.
Now is this like a normal procedure? In order to get the bellow out?
Yeah.
Here might be less heavy. So you make sense?
No, they put bellows glue, so that shit's like fucking in there. So you gotta heat that shit up to melt it, so the ring would just pop out.
Now do we have to worry about the glue running out?
I really don't care about the glue. But when it starts to drip, yeah, it ain't chocolate, I'll tell you that.
Well, I mean, no. Well, no, don't. Well, of course, I'm not.
When it hits you, you're doing it right.
Well, no shit, Sherlock. May as well do some blacksmith forging on this thing.
Come down some with the torch. Down. Right in there, yeah. Right there. Like.
And I'm guessing you're used to your hands, like, you're used to this, so it's not exactly, you know.
No, I burnt my finger right there. You saw it, but.
Ow.
Yeah, I just burned the top of my knuckle right there. You see that?
Ow.
Hurt like hell. I see. It's starting to bubble a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Around the ring. That brown.
Yeah, I can
I'm
see
gonna
where
hit
it's.
this. I'm holding it. You're good. I just.
It's like a washer. It's a washer. Here.
I mean, I can definitely see that it's melting over here on this side where it's got the torch at.
Here's the washer.
But damn.
I wish I had a nap gas too.
I need to go deeper. And you can do the washer there with the finger and increase the stop. And here, because this is set.
So just keep doing that real quick. I have to shit so fucking bad.
Nothing's burning a hole in the paint.
Nah, that's just like buildup. Probably like oil or something. Burning out.
Yes. What take? What? Then share it. Yeah, you choose. All you do is, I don't know, maybe this one, see?
So is that one for all of them?
Well, you need to use this, if you have, and then you measure this, and this is, 10,000. So 10,000, and then you go 2,000 here, and you go 8,000. So now when you measure that, drone, and measure the shin, and the, okay, 10,000, you get 1 in.